Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made these two really awesome DIYs that I can store my washi tape and my ribbon. You can use it for anything that you see fit for your craft space. I'm using this in my craft space or your craft room. You can use it if you have a craft room. I only have a space. So with that being said, I would like to ask if you can hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Let's jump right into this tutorial. I started with two of these clear mini crates that you can purchase at dollar store, and I just snapped them together, and I took some of my mini zip ties in the same color and I secured them together. I made sure and put the little part of the zip tie to the bottom so that it won't be shown or anything won't be bothered if I decide to put something else besides ribbons in this. And once I had them both secured, I just cut off the excess zip tie. I then took some scrap strips that I had on hand and I cut it down to size to fit the two crates that I now had as one. You can use paint+stir+sticks. You can also use the Dollar Tree rulers as well. And I just glued them down using my hot glue and my Gorilla Glue. With this particular Gorilla Glue, it has to be activated with water, so I added some water onto the crate and then added the glue. You can clamp them down if you choose to. I did one side of it and I placed something heavy on all of the others. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you so much for all the love and the support you have been giving me for the past few weeks. I do appreciate you guys a lot. If you like these types of videos, give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends and family. It really do help my channel out a lot. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and occasional videos for collabs and challenges. So here you just see me adding some hot glue to hold it in place while the Gorilla Glue sets. And I'm taking some of these mini clamps you can also purchase at Dollar Tree. You can add more crates to this to make this even bigger if you choose to. But this is what I had on hand, so I'm using what I have until stores open and I can purchase a couple more. Once I had everything completely dried and set, I took some of my white acrylic paint. You can also use chalk paint. I wanted to give this one coat because I still wanted to see part of the wood peeking through still. I didn't want to give it that farmhouse look because that is not the theme or the style in my craft space. It's more of a type of a girly look with white, pink, and beige. So that's the colors, and gold, and that's the colors that I'll be using mostly in my craft space. I just made sure that all parts of the wood was painted white. And I just used a makeup sponge that I ripped in half. Once it had dried, I took 3 of these dowels that I also purchased from my craft store. You can get it at Dollar Tree as well. I used 3 of them and I just took all my ribbons and I just stuck it through the dowel. As I said, you can use these, or you can use this for whatever you choose to. I just used it as a ribbon holder because I have a lot of ribbon. And I did hang this up on my wall. So for the next DIY, I took this 11 by 15 frame or 11 by 20 frame that I had on hand as well from my dollar store, and I just removed the backing and also the tabs. It was pretty hard to get out. They were really stuck in there. This frame is pretty flimsy, so I do suggest if you do this, you can either get a thicker frame or a wooden frame. But I just removed the tabs and removed the glass. I didn't paint this at first, but after I did paint it white because the black wasn't really going with my decor in my space. As you can see here, the frame is really bent out of shape. I'm just measuring to see where I need to place the first hook, and I'm taking some of these mug hooks and I'm literally screwing them into the frame. And I'm trying to do 3 on either side so that I can add some dowels as well. It did take some elbow grease, so I would advise that you use either a drill or something sharp to pierce the hole before putting the hooks in. And I did this on both sides. But eventually I did get the hooks in. I did had to use my hot glue to help, and it did help a little. And again, I'm just measuring to make sure everything is even. Once I had everything, I took these thin dowels because it's the only one that I had remaining on hand that could fit in it, and all my washi, and I'm just adding my washi through the dowels as well. And as I said, I did paint this white after the frame, and I am definitely going to be getting some wooden beads to place to the end of the dowels so that it doesn't come apart, at least on one side, and leave one side open so that way I'll be able to remove the washi or add more washi if I need to. So as I said, these were 2 simple, easy craft storage DIYs. If you like seeing this type of videos, leave a comment down below. And I absolutely love how these turned out. I store these next to my planners and all my planner accessory, and I would see you guys in the next one. Bye.